Nation Open Championship 2026, which is going to inaugurate officially with the fight. The fighters are MySpace Taekwondo Academy students. Fight లో దిగారు పరమసింహాలు. Just like Padamasingha. Now fighting them. Option of the signals given is to